On Tet holiday, the atmosphere of family gathering around a hot pot always makes us feel strangely warm. On the tray are all kinds of delicious dishes. A plate of fresh shrimp, a plate of golden fried tofu, a plate of sausage cut into bite-sized pieces, then a plate of neatly chopped chicken, a plate of thinly sliced beef, a plate of chewy stomach, and a plate of fresh small intestine. Besides, traditional Tet dishes are also indispensable. A plate of mildly sour pickled onions to enhance the flavor, and a square plate of bang chung symbolizing abundance. The whole family dipped food into the hot pot while laughing and chatting. Some people picked up food for their grandparents, others added more broth for each other, and stories from the beginning of the year were shared in hearty laughter. Outside, the cold was biting, but in the small room, the gathering and love made everyone feel extremely warm. A sip of hot pot broth, a piece of sweet meat, a slice of sticky and delicious bang chung, interspersed with a piece of crispy and slightly sour pickled onion, all blend together to create the complete flavor of Tet. The moment the whole family eats hot pot together, recalls the happy stories of the old year and wishes for peaceful and happy new year, is the simplest and most sacred happiness. That is the true meaning of Tet. Not only a high tray of food, but also a moment when everyone gathers together to love and share.